Hi, welcome back. This is Nasim. Last couple of days, I watched many videos on YouTube for learning dropshipping, like how I can start dropshipping from scratch. I watched many videos, like someone tried to learn how you can start dropshipping within 6 hours, how I got sales within 24 hours. So something like that. But most of them are fancy edited and they skipped many technical part. So that's why I watched a lot of video for acquiring these skills. And finally, I have now confidence I can start my dropshipping business. So, like the next 30 day will be my challenging day. I start my new Shopify dropshipping business from scratch. So, if you want to be a part of my challenge, then you can definitely do subscribe my channel because you will learn what I am doing and I will try to publish all kind of thing that I am doing and I will try to explain why I am doing this. So if you are someone like who are interested to start your own dropshipping business, this video will be helpful to you. So this is a challenge, guys. It doesn't mean that you have to start. Just stay with me, and we are going to start our own dropshipping business. But before ending, I just want to mention one thing, guys. I will not edit my video, make it fancy, and I will try to upload a raw video on YouTube. Okay, and I don't have too much experience that yeah I'm not sure that I will be successful or not. That's mean like it will be my lost project. But don't worry, I love to learn new thing and I just try to new love to try. Okay, so that's actually I wanted to tell you today. So if you want to be a part, please do subscribe. See you on the next one.